What's up guys, it's Jiggy. When you have elements that are like this, when I change the width, it gets all squished and nasty and it kind of just loses all of the design. Today I'm going to be showing you in Premiere how you can cut these elements to be smaller while retaining the original design. As you can see, this right here is all just repeated, right? So if we were able to cut it like this, then this side and this side would mesh together really well. So I'm going to duplicate this by holding Alt, and now I'm going to crop it. The layer on top will be cropped by 50 to the right because this is around the midway point and there's nothing really going on there. I can't put the crop point here, for instance. And for the second thing, I'm going to do the same thing but in reverse. I'm going to add a crop. This time I'm going to put it 50 to the left. And now, just by a simple movement, I'm just going to bring it to the right and look at that. It just slowly just comes in on itself. It keeps our scale, it keeps our original design, and we're able to cut that down without using the scale. Now, obviously, if we go too far, they'll start to clash with each other because at the end of the day, we are just kind of cutting it down the middle and kind of mashing it together. And look at that before and after. This is before, and this is after. Perfect. Hope this helped.